This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer, Ireland. A rare opportunity to own this home with 1,524 square footage and a detached garage. Plus, 0.785 acres lot to grow a garden, outdoor hobbies, or extra parking for a boat, RV, or cars. Roof replaced in 2020. New pipes put into well pump in 2021. Septic has been pumped within the last 2 years. 2 water heaters and water softener. Selling home as is. Seller not to make any repairs. Inspections for informational purposes only. Conveniently located near interstates, shopping, dining, and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.